This is the story of one of the toughest battles the United States Marines ever fought. A fight for a single island that turned into one of the bloodiest struggles of the Pacific. When U.S. forces reached Okinawa, more than 180,000 American troops prepared to move ashore. Around 75,000 were Marines from several divisions. They faced a dug-in Japanese force of more than 100,000 soldiers, backed by militia and labor units. The stage was set for a long and brutal campaign. The Marines began their assault with massive amphibious landings supported by an enormous naval armada. More than 1,000 ships took part. Waves of Amtracs hit the beaches, rocket ships blasted inland, and assault units pushed forward. Initial resistance was light, but the real fight waited in the interior. Okinawa's terrain was a nightmare: steep ridges, coral cliffs, tunnels, caves, and bunkers. The Japanese turned the island into a layered defensive maze. Every ridge became a name the Marines would remember: Kakazu, Sugar Loaf, Horseshoe, the Shuri Line. Progress was measured in yards. Every gain carried a cost. Marines fought with rifles, bars, flamethrowers, demo charges, Shermans with flamethrower turrets, and close air support from corsairs. Japanese defenders used machine gun nests, mortar, artillery hidden in caves, and nighttime infiltration attacks. The casualties tell the story. The United States lost more than 12,000 killed and over 36,000 wounded. Marine divisions alone suffered thousands of dead. Japanese losses were catastrophic. Over 100,000 soldiers and countless civilians. One of the worst threats came from the air. Japanese pilots launched massive suicide attacks against the fleet. More than 1,000 kamikaze aircraft struck the ships offshore, sinking destroyers and damaging dozens more. After weeks of relentless combat, the Marines finally broke through the last defensive lines. The island was secured, but at a cost that shook American command. The ferocity of the battle proved how devastating an invasion of the Japanese homeland would have been. Okinawa showed the strength and sacrifice of the United States Marine Corps, fighting ridge by ridge, cave by cave, bunker by bunker, and it revealed the true price of victory in the Pacific.